Heap Analytics versus Microsoft Power BI. Two giants. But which one truly empowers your data decisions in 2025? On the left, Heap Analytics, engineered for instant, automated user insights. And on the right, Microsoft Power BI, the powerhouse for business intelligence and next-level visualizations. Let's leave the hype behind and dive straight into what matters. We'll score each category and reveal exactly who stands out when the numbers are tallied. The conclusion might upend your expectations.
Here's a quick snapshot of how we're breaking it down.
Core functionality, ease of use, data visualization, integration and ecosystem, price and licensing, and hey, a little sprinkle of AI and advanced analytics. Seriously, think of it like a mind map for what actually matters in real life. Now, let's jump in and see how these two stack up scene by scene. Okay, first up, core functionality. Heap Analytics is wild because, you don't even have to tag stuff manually. It just captures everything folks do on your product. So you can dig deep into user journeys or behavioral analysis. But naturally, you'll notice visual customization is kinda not the strongest suit. Now, switch to Power BI. Here's where the dashboards get flashy. Super customizable, tons of ways to slice and dice your numbers, and yeah, it pulls from all over. Databases, spreadsheets, you name it. But little snag, it won't auto-track what people do, so you gotta set that up yourself, and get ready to model your data. Both bring the goods, just in different ways. So honestly, it's a tie for core functionality. All right, ease of use. And wow, Heap Analytics is almost suspiciously easy to set up. Plug and play means even if you're not the most tech savvy, you'll be fine. Oh, and here's something cool. You can ask questions about data you didn't even plan to track. It literally remembers everything. Now, sure, making those fancy reports might take a minute to figure out, but then you fire up Power BI, and if you're like a hardcore Excel fan, you'll feel at home. Plus, there's that Q&A feature where you can just type your questions. But let's be real. When you get to the deep stuff, DAX formulas and modeling, it's kinda intimidating. Power BI takes a bit more setup to get to the good insights. Winner here? No contest. Heap Analytics grabs it, simply because it's so dang welcoming. Let's jump into data visualization. Heap is solid if you want to see how people actually move through your app, segment behaviors, that sort of thing. But if you want to build those jaw-dropping visuals, you're going to hit limits fast. Power BI, on the other hand, is like the artist's palette. Dashboards, charts, maps, you name it. And you can even grab crazy custom visualizations, or mix in third-party ones. The only catch, all these options do mean it can get kinda overwhelming for newbies. Still, this one's easy. Power BI totally wins the visual category.
Oh, quick fun fact. Did you know Heap's retroactive data capture lets you go back and see what users did before you even realized it mattered? You can seriously ask questions about stuff you weren't even tracking. That's a wild time saver.
Integration and ecosystem time. Heap makes it pretty painless to plug into CRM tools, marketing apps, even Slack and stuff. It's just fast. But let's be honest, if you've got big enterprise data sources, say monstrous databases, Heap doesn't reach as far. Now, Power BI is basically everywhere. Cloud, databases, apps, on-prem, plus it's baked right into Teams and Office 365. Only thing, if you want to use some niche non-Microsoft apps, it can take extra elbow grease. But come on, with that huge reach, integration winner for sure, Power BI. Now, price and licensing. Yeah, the moment we all groan about. Heap does have a free tier, which, if you're a scrappy startup, that's great. But heads up, as soon as your traffic scales, those bills can get spicy. No free ride long-term either. Power BI is going to make you smile here. The desktop version is totally free for building reports. And the pro features? Just $9.99 per user each month. Sure, if you're rolling enterprise level, premium pricing jumps way up. But for most teams, it's pretty affordable. Honestly, Power BI just sweeps Heap on price. All right, let's get nerdy. AI and advanced analytics. Heap's auto-generated insights about user behavior are genuinely like magic for figuring out funnels and segments without tons of setup. But if you're dreaming of real predictive analytics or baking in actual machine learning, that's where Heap doesn't quite go deep. Power BI though, wow. Built-in AI, predictions, even running full machine learning models right inside the platform. Only thing is, some of those next level features do cost extra. Still, the edge goes to Power BI. they're just ahead on the advanced stuff.
If you look at the radar chart, you'll see Power BI flexes hard in data visualization, integration, pricing, and AI, while Heap is the king of plug-and-play and automatic user journey insights, with a couple standout quirks in ease of use.
All right, bottom line.
If you're a product manager or marketer who just wants deep insights, zero hassle, and barely any setup, Heap Analytics is going to be your secret weapon. But if your world is full of corporate dashboards, integration with a zillion data sources, and you want, like, mind-blowing visuals, Microsoft Power BI is the smart move, especially if you're already running everything on Office 365. Basically, pick Heap for effortless user analysis. Roll with Power BI for all-in business intelligence. Want more side-by-side walkthroughs and honest takes on analytics tools? Hit follow to catch all the latest BI and product analytics reviews. Trust me, you do not want to miss what's next.